guys, welcome back to another video. For today I'm going to be doing a cute little pastel design, getting ready for Easter. I'm going to be using the gel polishes out of Madam Glam's new March collection, which is called the Macaron Collection. The minute these gel polishes arrived, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So the first nail, I'm going to do a coat of Candyland. Second nail is going to have a coat of cherry petals. Third nail is going to have lemon pie.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound.
And then the pinky is going to have a coat of Raindrop. So I'm going to give them a cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to apply a thin coat of Madam Glam's base coat. I'm going to apply that to all 4 nails.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do.
Now I'm not going to cure that, because into that uncured base coat I want to stick some little tiny hexes. Just randomly dotted about.
Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight?
Right, so once I've got them where I want them, like that, I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now that base coat is all cured, all that glitter is going to be stuck in place. And now I'm going to go over with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat on all 4 nails. Now when you're applying top coat, you want to make sure that you get the whole nail Make sure you get all down these side walls. You don't want to miss any of the nail, or else you're going to have shiny patches. And that is not what you want. Don't forget to cap the free edge.
Sun's about to go down. So what you doing tonight?
Then cure them for 30 seconds. So that matte top coat is now all cured. How pretty are they? I love them matte. I really do like pastel shades matte. I'm a little bit biased anyway because I do like matte nails. But the pastel and the matte together is just gorgeous. So now I've pulled out some metallic silver base. If you haven't got any metallic silver base, but you have got the Madam Glam's Perfect Silver, you could use that, but I don't have that, so I'm going to be using this instead. I've also pulled out my dotting tool, and I'm just going to paint on some drips. That's not going to work because it needs a good old stir. Right, let's see if that's any better. It was a little bit watery, could you see that? That's better. It just needed a stir, that was all. So to do drips, I just do a few little dots. And then drag them up to the top. Like that. And then I shall use my detailer brush to connect them all around the cuticle. Like that. So there we are, guys. That is my chrome dripped mini egg design. What do you think? I think they're really cool. Delicious, in fact. Making me fancy a little bit of chocolate, if I'm being honest. I could just eat some mini eggs now, actually. I'm getting a little bit peckish. As always, guys, all the products that I've used today you'll find listed in my description box below. Any discount codes that I have, you'll also find in there as well. If there's anything that I've missed, just let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Nice, quick, easy Easter design. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.